my princess again. Welcome back to my channel. And welcome back to my kitchen. And today's video, guys, we're gonna cook Puto. Puto. And here are all the ingredients. And come here, mommy.
Come here, mommy. Hello, guys.
And I got the phone, so that's why I'm not bored.
So, what are the ingredients? These are the ingredients. So, what's this? This is the Puto White King Puto Pinoy favorites. Pinoy favorites. Proudly Filipino export quality. So, inside, guys, is may dalawa siyang ano. So, we only
It's
use
like
one.
flour. It's like
So, the
flour.
ingredients is this one. We have egg. And
I don't
this
know.
one, the butter. And
And
I already melted the butter. So, this one is 1 cup.
can I put in
Wait.
sugar or salt? Sugar. So I think we have to put 1 cup of flour. And so we don't need any more butter because mommy already put.
Yeah. I already melted the butter.
That feels like slime.
The basic.
It feels like slime when I touch it inside the container. Feels like slime. Here's
So, we need sugar. So, what's the instruction? Per 200 pack, you will need 1 cup water. So, 1 cup water.
Can I do it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sure.
So, 1 cup water. We need,
1 cup of water.
yeah, this is the butter, melted butter.
So I have to put the butter there. And can I put the water?
Then,
I'm gonna put the water inside.
1 cup water. So, I need to heat water first.
Real water or just from the faucet?
No?
Okay, I'll do it. I'll put inside the flour. I'll put the flour inside, and I'll put the
Ouch. So, 1 cup. 1 cup. 1 cup water. 1 cup water. Then,
and
1/2 cup sugar.
I wish I can put it in. And can I put it inside? So I have to put it inside. All?
Okay, go.
All? I'll do them. I have to mix it. I'm gonna mix it.
Then,
Oh, I can see the sugar already. Oh, it's like getting yellow. It's like yellow sugar.
then this one.
Can I put it in?
So, 1 cup sugar and 1/2 cup sugar, 1 cup water, 5 tablespoon cooking oil. This one is so many. So, wait ha.
Okay. I'm gonna put it in. Okay.
Wait.
Okay. And guys, we already put the sugar, right?
Like that. try guys. Ato yung puto. Nagkakaroon ng gawin or then egg, the butter. Then happy kami sa kasi Filipino start baking. So ang ito yung ito yung ano. Gusto na kumain na. Gusto na kumain na pakita. Sa ako kahapon pa lang sa laptop sa board. Yung sa breakfast dito para may video. Yung namin yung location namin nakapila ko. Iba naman sa balong ng board.
Amami, nakuha. Amami, you said you have to give one piece. You have to give 1 cup of flour.
Sorry.
One cup means a little bit.
So ano
You have to put 5 butter. You put 5 butter. I don't put 6. Ito yun yung
tapos 5 tablespoons of coffee butter. Okay, up to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Full.
5.
Ano mo?
Oh, I said. Oh, drink white. Drink white. I don't know. So you mean after full.
When you do like that, you need to sing.
Wow, don't say that.
Then what makes you need to sing a song? So make it more tasty.
I don't know what to say.
Manok na buha.
Okay, I'll sing. Ano na? It's zero yellow.
So, that's all you need.
Yes. I think it's white.
White. Ano? White.
No, it's white and water. That's how.
Tapos, what is?
Wow, wait, zero.
Next minute.
You said big.
Then, boil water in a steamer. Combine white in Puto mix. Sugar. In a bowl. Gradually add water and mix until well blended. Add in the oil and continue mixing until the butter becomes smooth. Pour butter in a mold about 3 per cup.
But you didn't tell me about that before.
Then egg is okay. Egg is okay. Then, we keep it over here. Yeah, mix. Good. Solid. Magusang lubig din. You know how to mix. So, okay. So, it's ready to go. Then, we're done. So, this is it guys.
Always burning. Hi guys! And we're ready to cook, but we need to wait for 5 more minutes so that's why this can boil. So yeah. And I think Daddy will come here. And here it is, guys.
Sige, tilawin na.
Okay.
If it's yummy.
Okay. It's really going to dance. Come here, Daddy. Come here, Daddy.
Sige, apat tilawa si Daddy kung lami na ba para ato i-cook.
Really tastes good. I'm not joking. Look at my face. Am I joking?
Sige. Sige daw, de. Try daw ninyo, de.
No.
Mucho din eh. Ano ba ginigmilk lagi?
Yes. It tastes like milk.
Dah, dami lagi.
I told ya.
So, let's cook.
But first we need to, let's wait for 5 more minutes so that's why this can boil.
Yeah. Ito lagayan lang guys para madaling maluto. May mga small molder kami pero tagal kasi pag mga maliliit ito isang salang lang siya. So let's cover for 15 minutes. Okay guys, see you after 15 minutes.
Cook. And guys, let's just wait for 5 more minutes so that's why it can, low down. So that's why it cannot be hard. But just a little bit. So yeah. So I'll see you in a minute, guys, when it's done cooled. See you in a minute, guys. Hi guys, it already cooled down. Then now we're gonna try it. And I got this. It's like a cup of tea. You can see this cup of tea.
Is it yummy? Really?
I really really like mommy's cooking and I really love her. She's the best. And me and daddy like her cooking always.
Oh, really? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you.
But daddy can't eat it right now. But no, it doesn't mean that daddy don't want to try mommy's cooking. But I have to not eat it yet because daddy, did you hear that? So that means daddy's in a meeting and daddy's work.
Yeah, daddy is in the room.
And guys, you know it's work day and only he said at night time he only said at night time I'm going to work and he said in the morning I'm not going to work only at night time.
So,
Yeah, he's not going to work today. He's not going to school. I mean going to work. Okay guys, I hope you like this video making Puto. I hope you like this video guys. I hope you like this video guys. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Bye. See you in my next cooking video. Bye guys.